grease, monkey grease on there. Hell no, don't like it. Okay, give me 1 second. That way we can prevent any openings there. Okay, everything should go a little bit faster. We'll deal with these a little bit later. Just like that. And they'll stay down. That's for sure. Okay, the reasoning for me using the Tin Slime Ultra is because when they created this product, they said it was for suspending film in humid climates and all that kind of stuff. Well, I think they created the spider spit, which I don't know why, but you know, I'm not the inventor of it. But I think I said if I can get this film to suspend and be on where it needs to be at, and I already have a pull test with this film and it is excellent pull test, then I can monkey with the film, not get any lines, lift lines or any of that stuff, because this has my solution or whatever suspended for a while. So this is my experimental thing I've been working on for a while. So if anybody can tell the inventor that I've been using it this way, maybe he'll be satisfied or not. Well, it don't matter to me, but I want the end user yourselves to actually get a couple of good tricks about this product, how to use them and all that. So go ahead, and I'm satisfied with all the distribution everywhere and the alignment here. So we're going to go ahead and wrap it up here. There it is. And this black could have really marked whatever, but it has not. It's been wonderful actually. It hasn't marked anywhere. Maybe because of the methods of install or whatever, right? Something. Maybe the slip solution. Okay. It's kind of good thick there. Keep it there. I don't want them back in here, so we capture it. There you go. This big lump right here was one of the paintings that I told you about. I had a very big chunk of dirt in the paint. I already pointed out to the customer. He says he didn't even know, but go ahead and proceed. Okay. Okay, we're pretty much done. Let me just put a little bit more of this guy here. And like I said, if you even intend to touch the film, don't. Clean yourself first and then do that deal and work it. There you go. Very satisfied with how this hood came out because it's black. I'm using Suntech paint protection film. It is clear as clear can be. Very, very, very happy with it. Always been happy with it. So now you know. if you ask. I'm gonna alcohol this stuff and be done with it in a couple of minutes. Torch the edges. As you can see, it came out real nice and clean, clear, all that kind of stuff. No scratches, no problems. You guys have a great day. GoPro, stop recording.